Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. In my case, for 34 minutes. What's more, we've got the unlocks and the notifications count. We can also not always check how much time we've spent on particular apps. So in my case, most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can also check some further details. For example, just by tapping inside the graph, we'll be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using the device in particular days of the week, so we can compare it. We can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it we've got the list of apps which were used in the day. What is more, we've got another way, so we can check the details for only one app. So for example, the settings or the camera. Let's tap on the settings, and again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with the settings in my case. Again, we can change the screen time and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.